All right, so today we're talking about the range function in Python. Check this out. All right, so the first thing I want to do is start out with the definition. So the range is a built-in function that creates a sequence of numbers. It does not create a list. It creates a range object that produces numbers when you loop through it. Range generates numbers in order, starting at one number, ending before another number, and moving by a step. So let's just focus on how we actually write it. So we're going to start out with 4. We're going to say I, and that's just a variable name, right? Nothing crazy at all. We're going to say in range 5. Then we're going to print I. All right, and we're going to run that. And now it runs us a range up to 5, but not 5, right? And it always starts at 0. So this is basically saying, hey, print whatever we're arranging based upon the index starting at 0. And we have 5 digits here in order. Now let's do another one. Say, for instance, we didn't want to call it I, and we just wanted to call it counter. That's fine too. We can just say print counter. So run that, and now we have the same output as well. So now let's do a range for start and then stop. For I in range 2, 8, print, and I did put a capital I, which don't want to do there, and we'll run that. And now we have a range starting from 2, but ending before 8. So that's how the start and stop works. Now let's do start, stop, and step. So for I in range, I'll go 2, 20, and 3. And then we're going to run that. And then now this is going to give us different intervals leading up to 20, but not 20. And now we have intervals of 3, as you can see here. Now let's do another one. I'm just going to paste this one in here, where this essentially creates employee IDs ranging from 1000 to 1005, and just writes this text out for me as well. So we're going to run that. And now we can see the text of create employee record all the way up to 1004, obviously before 1005. And then we have another one as well, which is going to be data's up top. That's our variable. And then for record IDs, we just call it record ID in the range of 1 to 6. So before 5, obviously. And then the row is going to be record ID. It's going to be the record ID here. Is active is going to be Boolean. And then append the row. And we print the data. And now we have everything that goes record is 1. That's going to be the range. And then the Boolean value of true for each one. And you can see here it goes all the way up to 5 right before 6. And it just makes a row of everything here based upon this. But the more comfortable you are with range, the easier it becomes to do loops within Python. With that said, hopefully this video helps you out. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, thanks for watching, y'all.